Hi, my name is Ria and I'll be demoing Flowsnake. Here's the Flowsnake. It's a drawing tool based on a subdividing recursive space filling curve. We begin with a tool at its minimum subdivision, and as we draw the line it becomes more and more dense, which allows us to create value by means of this line being many levels of density. So I'll demonstrate the subdivisions here. You can see it grows more dense and loops over itself, still just continuing as a single line as we go through the subdivisions. So you can see as we use the tool we can click into each of these hexagons and it subdivides as we move it through the hexagons to our maximum depth that's set here. So if we set it at a higher level we can actually draw quite dense lines. One of the tools I really like using is the slow brush. It kind of morphs between the subdivision levels. Now I'll demonstrate this doing something representational. Let's pick maybe an apple we'll draw. So as you can see we can't directly control that line, and if we want we can make our brush larger so drawing's quicker. So if we go set our depth fairly low we can actually fill it in. And as I bump up through the depths here you can actually see how I'm building spaces where the more dense line is making it quite a bit darker, all using the same color. And I might want to switch to, a close by color and kind of get more depth. And by using right click I can actually create spaces where there's wider gaps by just undoing the subdivision. And so when we're finally done our drawing we can either save as a PostScript file or as a .snk file, which can later be restored. And there's your completed apple. I've restored a more complex drawing that I was doing. I've done a little technique here that I made up by taking advantage of how slowly the cursor works if you move quickly. So we could set our horizontal line to, say, 8. If we move vertically, you can see we get a bit of a scatter. If we shift the vertical, we can actually get something of a crosshatch effect. It's a pretty interesting tool for artists. So I'm going to demonstrate the animation. Here I have a drawing that's almost complete, and voila.